You can swap crypto not only on the LetsExchange website, but also right in Telegram. Let's see how it works. Search for the LetsExchange bot in Telegram. Double-check the handle to make sure it's the official one. And then launch it. Proceed with the swap. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Choose if you want to swap your crypto at a fixed or a floating rate. If you choose a fixed rate, you will receive the exact number of coins that is displayed in the You Get field of the widget when you confirm the swap. If you choose a floating rate, the swap will be completed at a valid market rate. In this case, the amount of crypto you receive may differ from the amount displayed in the You Get field. Fill the You Send and You Get fields. Choose the coin to sell and provide the amount. Then select a coin that you want to receive, and the amount to receive will be calculated automatically. If you are swapping crypto at a fixed rate, you can use a promo code to get cash back. Hit the exchange button. Copy-paste your receiving wallet address. We will send you the swapped crypto there. For some coins, you will see a destination tag or a memo field. Copy-paste them too. Otherwise, your money may be lost. Add a refund wallet address. Even though it's optional, we highly recommend adding it, because if the swap doesn't go as expected, we will refund your funds there. Type in your valid email address. Even though this step is not mandatory, we recommend that you do it because we'll send swap updates there, and it will also help our support team reach you faster if anything goes wrong. Double check everything, and if it all looks good, click Accept to continue. You can see the wallet address where you need to send the deposit. Send the exact amount of coins you want to swap to that address. You can copy-paste the address or scan a QR code. Wait till the swap is processed. You have 30 minutes to send your deposit. Once the time is up, this deposit address will expire, and you'll need to start a new swap. Below, you can see the exchange ID. With it, you can track your swap. When we receive the deposit, we will swap your crypto. Swaps usually complete within 1 to 5 minutes. In rare cases, an AML check may delay the swap. If that happens, just reach out to our support team. When we receive the funds to the deposit wallet, we will send your swapped coins to your wallet. You will see a notification. When we complete the swap, you will see a notification about it. You can check your wallet to see if you have already received the funds. You can check the exchange ID below. With this ID, you can track your swap. If you click on the More Info button, you can see more detailed information about the swap, such as hash in and hash out. If you want to download the swap receipt with all the details, click on the Get Receipt button. If you haven't provided your email address, it is time to do it now because your receipt will be sent there. Swap over 5,000 coins and tokens across 300 blockchains directly in our Telegram bot.